Hey everybody, welcome back. This is Jose Mier coming to you from Sun Valley, California with, guess what, information about Sun Valley, California. So for residents and visitors, if you happen to need this service, I'm talking about iPhone and computer repairs, and we're all tied to our cell phones. So when something happens, you gotta know where to go. So here's a few you can see on the map. Here's Sun Valley, fast fix phone repair, LT computers and phone services, prepaid plus repair 2, Valley Village phone repair freaks, that's down here in Valley Village. But so we've got another a few here in the Sun Valley area. Let's just check out this one because it's kind of centrally located. LT Computers and Phone Services, got a lot of reviews, and they have a website. Yay! Let's get it loaded here. Page doesn't seem to exist. Okay, let's try another one with the website. So forget LT. Non-secure website. Well, we'll go out of Sun Valley to Valley Village. Hopefully this is better. Yep. Well, I can't recommend the other two because they don't even keep their website up and running. So, all of Los Angeles County, blah, blah, blah. We bring the fix to you. That sounds good. Console repair, cell phone repair, tablet, computer. Los Angeles phone freaks. Here on San Fernando Boulevard. Let's no map locations here. Okay, locations. This doesn't even seem to work. Well, it's a good looking website, so that is my recommendation for iPhone repair. They're here on San Fernando Road. Give them a try if you have that need. And from Sun Valley, California, Jose Mier, I'll see you guys next time.